today we're eating 3 of the most disgusting insects that you can eat. Flopper?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you are eating at least 2 of them.
Do what? These dirty, flying, stinking freaking things.
Yeah, them dirty, flying,
still got the
stinking
guts
things.
in them.
Yeah, that's the best bit. That's
gut
the
'em at
succulent
least.
bit. No,
Fucking Jiminy Cricket. I'm not eating fucking Jiminy Cricket.
why not?
Fuck, no way.
Poor Jiminy.
Fuck Jiminy.
He probably probably would roll over in his grave if he knew what we were doing today.
I reckon he might too.
But you know what?
Eating his mates, his family.
I reckon the same. Fuck Jiminy. We're just gonna eat it anyway.
And where they come from? Your ass.
Yeah, they're my ringworms.
That's what it looks like. Fucking ringworms out of your friggin' asshole.
Yeah, that's why you like them. Have a smell.
Nah.
Yeah, just have a little smell. All right, so
You're kidding me.
we're gonna start with the cricket. I'll eat it first. I don't care. Come on.
Guts and all.
I don't give whatever. But there's another little special surprise that I've got. So stick around for that. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already done that. And for you that are watching, that are currently subscribed, thanks very much. Cheers.
Yeah. Ooh. What's the guts taste like? Because that's all it is, all gut. There wouldn't be much in wing and leg.
It's kind of salty.
Yeah, that's to kill the bacteria in the guts, all the salt, for sure. You'll end up in hospital.
Nah,
I will.
get in there.
Nah.
Well, if you end up in hospital, I'll end up in hospital.
Yeah, well, that's no good.
Yeah, we'll both be there together.
I can't come visit and you can't come visit me then.
Yeah, everybody in the wheelchair next to each other.
Nah, don't be stupid.
Hook into it. Don't worry about it. Get into it. Quick before the wind blows it off.
That one there's got less.
No, this one with the leg.
No, it's got less gut. Look at the size of the guts on that.
Bloody plane come over pretty loud, so we just thought we'd hold up. Flubber, get into it now. We're ready to go. Oh yeah.
Quick and fast. Oh, it's like a teaspoonful of salt.
Yeah. Have another one.
No. Oh, they're disgusting.
All right, now the ringworms, your dirty stinking ringworms. Let's get into them. What are you spitting all over it for, you fucking...
Nah, you eat one first.
Don't spit all over them.
No.
I'm not going to eat. I'm going to eat your spit. I'd rather eat the worm than your spit.
That's disgusting.
I'm going to set the benchmark high.
It's like salted sand. Salted sand. See the things I do for you, freaking assholes?
You had a fly there.
Oh, you freaking nearly give me a black eye. Oh, that hurt me hand. Your head like a rock.
Yeah, mate. Hard as a goat's head.
What have you ever done
Just
for
shut
me?
your mouth and get into it.
What have I ever done for
Who
me?
cares what they've done for you? One, you eat more than that.
Makes me skin crawl just fucking
All right.
filthy.
All right, now them 2 are out of the way. We got the deadly, most venomous insect in the world.
Yeah, oh, you're right. I'm fucking shit.
It's the scorpion.
Oh, no. No. I ain't
The
eating that.
scorpion.
No.
Look at it.
Ain't no crayfish with a bloody bee sting.
Oh, yeah.
No way. That's fucking crayfish with a bee sting. Ooh!
What do you reckon? You gonna eat that, Flubber?
Is it gutted?
I don't know.
No, there's no way.
Yeah.
No, look at the sting on it.
Yeah. Won't hurt.
No way.
But
That
paper,
sting's probably got poison still.
yeah.
Yeah.
Paper, scissors, rock. See who eats it.
I got no paper, I got no scissors, I got no rock.
Yeah. It's here, like paper.
I won, you had
scissors,
fucking rock there.
rock. Paper. The rock smashes it.
No.
Paper, scissors, rock.
No freaking way in the world. No.
Why not?
No. For money I would.
Oh, I don't have any money on me. Paper, scissors, rock.
No, I'll go your halves. You eat the ass, you eat the sting, I'll eat the fucking the head and the claws.
I'll eat the ass.
Yeah, you eat the ass, you eat the sting.
That's the fuck I think it got me.
Yeah, you eat the sting and I'll eat the head. Little ass white. That'll do you good. Nah, you're eating it. You're eating the ass, I'll eat the head. You can eat the sting.
I get the poisonous part.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it's your idea.
No.
Certainly not mine.
Oh, well, maybe he's got shit in his fucking...
Yeah, he'll have shit in his head. Don't worry.
There you go.
Fuck.
So I get the stinger.
Well, I got the claws, they bite.
All right, well, cheers. We're gonna be crook.
I know. You better have your phone ready because I'm calling you.
Why'd you let us eat it?
It's disgusting.
Why'd you agree to that?
That's messed up. If I end up in hospital, I'll tell you, you like them. Look at it. Don't ever try them. They're not worth it. They're shit. And now I'm worried. I'm going to end up in bloody hospital.
I'm giving it a 10 out of 10.
0.5.
0.5?
Yeah, 0.5.
A bit rough.
It shouldn't even rate. It's that bad.
Oh, okay. Have another one.
No, wait. No, they're disgusting. No. Nah. I wouldn't survive if I had to eat insects. There's no way I'd survive.
That's why you don't have the guns like me.
Yeah, I do. What?
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter how you get it, I got it.
There you go. And there we have it.
Hey?
I'll see you on the next one. Bit of bush jagger.
Yeah,
Enjoy it.
It won't be any more of this shit either.
Cheers.
Yeah.